Hi, this is Vivien. Thanks so much for joining me today. So here we are. We did all the due diligence, we did the budget, we did the financing, we met with the mortgage lender, we got a pre-approval for a mortgage, and we selected a real estate agent. So now it's time to go out and look at properties according to the criteria that we selected. This is a very important time when the buyers go out with their real estate professional and they look at properties. Normally, one looks at 6 properties maximum in one day because one can't see any more properties at that point. You look at the major features of the house, if it feels good to you, if you're with a spouse or a partner, you both have to agree on the same criteria of the house. Once you've selected a neighborhood to go to visit and to see these properties, you go in and you see, how does the property feel to you? Can you imagine living in this house? Is it large enough for your growing family? Do you have enough bedrooms? Is the basement complete? What are the things you need? Do you need a large garden? Do you love to garden? And that would be a priority for you. So there's so many things that you have to check off on your list, but you need to know that no house is perfect. If you get 8 points out of 10 that you can tick off that you like of this house, that's a pretty high standard to beat. And I want to mention also that you have to look beyond the cosmetic. Somebody could easily not like pink paint on the wall. However, one must look past it because to paint the wall a suitable color to you is not a huge endeavor or a huge expense. There are 2 things that are really, really important to people today when they're looking for a home. The kitchen and the bathrooms, have they been updated recently? And the floors. I will say that old broadloom that used to be popular in the 70s and in the 80s is not popular anymore. What is popular is hardwood floor, engineered wood floor, usually in the basement, a less expensive laminate floor. These are some things that are really, really important to my clients, that's for sure, and that's what they're looking for when they look for a house. Of course, the layout of the rooms is extremely important to them. Are the windows new, or will they have to put on a new roof? Is the furnace very old? What is the plumbing like? These are things that I would recommend you would hire a home inspector for. They come in, they come for 3 hours plus, they go through the house top to bottom. If you want a more extensive study, they bring an infrared camera where they can go behind the walls to see if there's any moisture damage. I would recommend that when you're buying a home. This is a lifetime investment. It is time consuming, it's extremely important. So when I was looking for a house, it was really important that I selected an area that was a neighborhood that would be good for a family, that the neighborhood would be perfect for my children, that it would be close to the school that I wanted them to go to within a particular geographical area, and the lifestyle that my family wanted. That was really important. So based on that, I created, knowing what people are looking for, a special VIP pass, which is a specific tour of neighborhoods for my clients, for my customers, so that they know, and I help them see through my eyes, through their eyes, what would work for their lifestyle, and I will take them on a tour of the neighborhood of their choice so that they will know what's best for them when the time is right to make that decision. So go to my website, viviensharon.com. You'll see a VIP pass there. Please fill it out, contact me, and I'd love to meet with you and show you a neighborhood that you would like. So I hope you find this information useful and you will like it and share it with your friends. And on the next episode, we're going to go into more detail about shopping for a home. Wishing you a great day and see you again soon. Bye for now. Hi, this is Vivien. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you'd like to see more episodes, just tune in.